episode of Lex and Candace Tupa's Family Adventures. Abet, say hi to Abet.
Hello!
In Araneta Coliseum for the World Teachers Day celebration of the Department of Education. So this is set to be the biggest event of DepEd. Expected around 15,000 teachers. Ang daming tao. And we're waiting here sa Green Gate para makuha namin yung aming tickets. Yes. We have some surprises prepared, syempre for our dear teachers. So happy World Teachers Day, guys. And ako, I'm also a professor and I'm happy and proud to share knowledge and wisdom to my students as well. So lunch muna kami. Prepare para ready for later. Whole day until gabi to. Nagkakainan dito, guys, oh. I remember when I was growing up kasi yung bahay namin dito lang sa may Purdue, sa Cubao. So pwede kong lakarin to. Tapos andito rin yung MRT eh. So connected. So yan, guys. Gateway Mall. Yan. Dito kami meet din yung mga kaibigan ko na mga taga Quezon City. Maraming dapat wais tayo. Yung Chibo 50% off pero from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Minimum.
Yeah,
Dala ka calling card? Ang business card ka?
May bucket para sa... Ayan, Nonos at Manam, oh. Ito, guys, ito yung magandang mall dito. Gateway. This is Araneta Center. Yes. So, kailangan pa-energize muna kami by getting food. Good food. And then, we'll go inside Araneta Coliseum for the World Teachers Day. So, we have some surprises. Isa dyan, syempre, si Mr. Coco Martin. Yes, guys. Oh, wow. It's either malaki yung market nila dito or mura yung rent. Panda Express. Time I was here in Gateway was like pre-pandemic. So, ang tagal na nun.
Wala. Nandyan, mambo, kompleto.
Oh, kompleto. Wow. So, high-end na talaga yung market. May hawker chan din sila. O Taco Bell. Ayan. Marami. Pizza Hut may 50 off din ngayon. Pag BDO yung dala mo at gamit mo. Okay. So, ang saya, guys, no? So, meaning lang yan, hindi porket naalala mo yung Cubao dati, kung ano siya, na ganun pa rin siya. So, nag-level up siya.
So many good restaurants.
So, syempre, Araneta family and yung mga businesses have made sure na they should keep up with the times. O may Via Mare din dito. Grabe.
You should see down there.
Yeah. So, ang dami. I haven't actually really gone around sa buong mall. Ang dami. Diba? Puro high-end. So, daming choices. At sabi nga ni Tito Abet, lalo na pag weekend, punong-puno daw ito with people here. Kasi dito yung mga may kaya ng Quezon City dumadayo. So, iba na talaga ang Araneta Center. Yes. Mamu! Yeah! Sarap ng steak. Mura na rin, no? Pwede na rin, no? $495. Platter. Grace Park. Okay. Ano yan? Ano yung Damano?
It's owned by rin.
Pero ano siya? Okay. So,
Di ba Chiboy Low?
Yeah. Wow. Social, ah. Yung Chibo may discount, wala ba to? Hindi to kasama. So, we'll try this daw, guys. Amano. High-end Italian restaurant.
Dito ba yung spinach lasagna? Ano ba lasagna? Yung spinach lasagna?
Nice place. So, kamusta naman siya? Puro drinks pa lang muna. Okay lang naman. The pizza's okay. Yung pasta medyo mataas yung price. Pero maraming serving. Good for 2.
For one serving.
Talaga one lang yan? Yung antipasta?
Depends on your appetite.
Okay. Yung steak nila is 3.7 and 5.650. Wow. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung place, ha?
Here?
Okay. Your choice. So, ang ganda, oh. Yes. We'll try, guys. We'll follow Tito Abet's lead here kasi siya yung familiar dito. Very interesting dito ah. So, this is said to be the high-end Chivo. Kung meron kang mga pets, meron din silang food. May pet biscuit at pet pizza. Pero look guys, wow! 550 per piece for the pet pizza and 150 per piece for the pet biscuit. Yes! So, ito may sa labas at may sa loob. So, we chose sa labas. Try nga natin to. Hopefully, it's really good. Worth the price. Yes.
You met that traitor.
Guys, 4 cheese pizza. Okay, lasagna verde. So ito yung mamahalin pero mukhang masarap. Right?
Oo, dapat si...
It's around 900
Madam Flores,
and this one is around 600. So it's all good, guys. Yes. Ito guys, lasagna pizza is very good as well.
Malayo na ako.
Loko.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Puno.
Yeah, sobrang sarap. Tapos na kumain, so time na para pumasok. Yes, video guys. Yeah. Okay, so pumapasok na tayo sa loob ng Araneta Coliseum, guys.
Still watching Lex and Candace Lupa's Family Adventures.
Ayan, guys. It will start at 1 p.m. pero yan ang dami na. Daming tao guys. They're expecting around 15,000 people. Siyempre mostly teachers for the National World Teachers Day celebration. Start na tayo. And kanina lang we were able to say hi to DepEd Secretary Sani Angara.
Bayang magiging
Daming tao guys. No?
Dahil sa ito ay
When the First Lady has arrived.
tayo na tulong-tulong na pagmulahin ang mahal.
magbabago at ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat na maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin.
So we're here guys, sa backstage. Yan, sa dressing room. That's Mario and Kat. There. So here, syempre sa kay Cook there, sa dressing room. Say hi to him. Nagkamusta nga siya kasi kasama naman namin siya sa mga iba't ibang province. Magpupunta yung video network namin. Okay, here's Coco Martin. Mr. Coco Martin. Dr. Candace